Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to start cleaning on your DJI ROMO S vacuum. You can begin manually on the robot, which I'm going to tell you in the second part of the video, or you can do it from the app. And doing it from the app gives you many different possibilities because you can, for example, start a daily cleaning, which is vacuum and mop, and it's gonna do these two things at the same time. You can also do a deep cleaning, which is gonna vacuum then mop, so it's gonna do 2 sessions. Find vacuum, or click on more and click on plus. Then you can do new tasks for certain zones, like for example clean only the living room and add many different shortcuts. This is really good, but let's see when we click on enter, we can also start one-time cleaning, which is also basically the same thing as these ones, but these ones are your shortcuts. So they already have all the settings set and you just start them. But if you want to do a cleaning that is sort of custom, not in the shortcuts, you can click on enter here and then start one-time cleaning. But before you do that, you can of course click here to see all the data about your base station. You can see my clean water tank is empty and my cleaning solution is not installed, so I should do it if I wanted to mop. You can also make it collect dust at the moment. You can make it dry, clean the mop pads, or return to base station. And you can also click here in order to select whether you want to vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, vacuum or just mop. You can set it by room, and you can enable the suction power to quiet, standard or max, as well as the water flow level to small, medium or large, as well as all the other stuff like floor cleaning that can be set to water, or if you have the ROMO P model. I have the ROMO S, so I cannot do that, but for a ROMO P you can also get the floor deodorant and deodorizer and use it here. And then you can also change the route to make it fast, standard or fine, and total tasks can be set to 1, 2 or automatic, and extra low water flow can be enabled if you want to reduce the water and get fewer water stains. And that is basically all you can do here, and then you can start cleaning. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.